Hey guys, we received this Dream Pairs kids shoes. So this is for winters or you can say like the rain or stuff. But basically for the winters because this have the cozy lining inside for the warm feel. So this comes in a really nice box and also looks really good with the sole striped good and for the winters that it will not skid in the snow and then easily can wear. You can see a cozy layer inside and let me just take out the protective stuff and it's a nice waterproof material on the top so that the water will not be absorbed in the shoe. So the nice sole, nice build and from the side as well. So this have the zipper to wear it and you can see the zipper is also have this waterproof lining so the water will not go inside. So a nice pair of shoes for the kids for your winter stuff or the snow play. So also looks nice like when you see in the side.